And welcome back, everyone. I hope you're staying warm. We've made a little bit of progress since early this morning, Scott.
Yeah, I think you summed it up correctly just before.
Yes, brutal.
It was brutally cold this morning, and the calm wind that we had helped the temperatures, the actual air temperatures, to drop off a little bit more than yesterday morning. Yesterday it was the wind that made it feel colder. This morning it was the actual air that was colder for some locations, but we are headed in the right direction now with warmer temperatures in the 7-day forecast. But check it out, it was as cold as 18 degrees in Sylvania, 19 in Hampton, 25 was the low temperature here in Savannah. And this afternoon it has been a lot more comfortable. We've had a mainly sunny sky, pleasant conditions out there, and we can see that along the Savannah River and the Cockspur Island Lighthouse. Temperature-wise, we have warmed into the lower 60s here in Savannah. We have a west-southwesterly breeze, and that slight southerly component to the wind is helping conditions to warm up for today, and that will continue to help us to warm up over the next few days. So we're looking pretty similar as far as those current temperatures. Upper 50s for the cool spots, lower 50s right now for Hilton Head. There is more of an onshore component to the wind right now for our coastal communities, but everyone else is a bit warmer. And as we go through the evening hours, conditions will remain relatively mild compared to where we were last night, where just past sunset, conditions were already at or below freezing. Tomorrow morning, we'll be starting off with temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s, climbing into the mid 40s by 9 o'clock. High temperatures should be in the middle 60s for most locations, and the weather will only get warmer from here as we head into our Thursday, ahead of a cold front that is forecast to move through. 68 is the forecast high temperature on Thursday, even behind that cold front, which will bring us some showers. Conditions will remain relatively mild, pretty seasonable for Friday and Saturday, and upper 60s to lower 70s again for us going into our Sunday. As far as for the setup around the southeast, though, high pressure that we were expecting to drift a little bit more to the east, that has happened. So warmer afternoons will be with us, with that boundary making its way with that air mass coming in from the west, and from the south, so definitely setting us up for some pretty nice afternoons with that southerly breeze. Temperatures are surging into the 60s. Even into southern South Dakota, Rapid City, though, at 52 degrees. So not much cooler out there than where we are right now, 64 degrees for Amarillo, Texas. And overall, the forecasts over the next 6 to 10 days will be for us to have above normal temperatures. And that will likely continue into Christmas Day with temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. So definitely heading in the right direction as far as those temperatures over the next few days. For tonight, 38 degrees for the low temperature. We will have an increase in cloud cover. Still a cold night for us, but for tomorrow, it's going to be a pretty mild afternoon. Lower 60s for those highs north of Interstate 16, south of 16. To have a decent chance for some spots getting into the middle and upper 60s. For the boaters, it's going to be a pretty nice day. North wind 5 to 10 knots, giving us some seas right around 2 feet. That high tide is happening early in the morning and then again in the evening. So a few showers move in with that front on Thursday. Temperatures cool off a little bit for Friday and Saturday, lower to middle 60s. Sunday, the first day of winter, will be one of the warmer days of the next 7 days, in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and staying mild into the next week. We'll have another check of the weather forecast coming up in just a few moments.